Okay, we're on the other side of our problemo set, and it says write number sentences using multiplication to show. The fraction represented in 1a is equivalent to the fraction represented in 1b. So we're going to use multiplication to prove that. So we had 1a, we had 1/4. Oh, they're telling us it's equivalent to 2/8. Let's try and see if that works. By using not division, but multiplication. So I'm going to take 1/4, and we're going to set up our vinculum, and we're going to prove it is 2/8 using multiplication. What are we going to multiply by to get 1/4 to 2/8? What fancy form of 1 will it be? Remember, when we're multiplying to find an equivalent, the denominator and the numerator have to be the same. And when the numerator and denominator are the same, they are one whole. So I know that 1 times 2 equals 2, and I know that 4 times 2 equals 8. So there is our fancy form of 1. 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, and this proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that 1/4 is indeed equivalent to 2/8. It's true. Let's go down to 2b. The fraction represented in 1a is equivalent to the fraction represented in 1c. 1a is equivalent to 1c. How can this be? How can it be? So 1a is equivalent to 1c. So they're saying 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. Well, let's go ahead and prove that using multiplication. What was it again? 1/4 to 3/12. So I have 1/4, and I'm going to multiply by a fancy form of 1. I would like you to pause the recording and try to figure out what fancy form of 1 you're going to use to get to 3/12 from 1/4. Go ahead and pause, and welcome back. Well, I know that 1 times 3 is 3. I also know that when I multiply to find an equivalent fraction, I have to use the same numerator and denominator, or the fancy form of 1. And I know that 4 times 3 is 12. True? 4, 8, 12. It is. Let's continue on. Use each shaded tape diagram below as a ruler to draw a number line. Mark each number line with the fractional units shown on the tape diagram and circle the fraction that labels the point on the number line that also names the shaded part of the tape diagram. My goodness, there's a lot going on in this one. So let's get right to it. Let's take it step by step. Use each shaded tape diagram below as a number line as a ruler to draw a number line. Okay, let's do that. Let's come right into here. Get a good close look at 3A. So I'm going to draw a number line. Remember? And we're going to put the notches of the number line. I cannot see a darn thing, so I'm going to put one there and one there. I think you should be able to pause this recording and label the number line. I'm going to give you a hint. This is 0/3, and this is 3/3. So go ahead and pause the tape or the digital recording and fill in the rest. And welcome back. So I have 0/3 here, so this must be 1/3. This must be 2/3. This must be 3/3 or 1 whole. And this represents what? Not 1/3, but 2/3. And there we have it. Shall we continue on? Or do we need a break? Let's take a quick little break. Give you time to go, maybe go visit the restroom, wash your hands, tell mom and dad you love them, feed the dog, pet the cat, check on baby brother or sister, do some push-ups or jumping jacks or sit-ups, and get ready to come back in about 2 minutes to complete this math video. The next math video will be problem set 3.